Lord buddy, let's get you another odds beer. So we got piles of rain, and I think we should take this guy out again. Last time, I haven't watched it yet, but yeah, it's been pretty muddy, but you see on the top, not that much mud. So we're gonna rip this thing out, and yeah, let's get into it. Hey everybody, are y'all ready? So I just figured out how to put in 4-wheel drive, and yeah, ready to go. It's dried up over a day, so I don't know how bad it will be, but oh yeah, it looks pretty bad. Not as bad though. I don't think I need a 4-wheel drive, but I will put it in. But the field was all muddy yesterday, so alright, let's do this. I'm supposed to say. Boys, let's go. Get a picture of this. Oh yeah. Beautiful. See, there's some in here too. Good picture of this. Yeah, anyways. Lots of mud puddles. But cheers for that. That's good. They've gone down a little bit, so still happy. Let's do a loop and do that again, then we'll hit the first. Then I gotta wash it. Mud down here. Mud here too. Oh. Oh, we just go over this. This is the big one. Cut down this tree, but if you notice out there, the trees are actually cut, so I did that. Good work, Nate, but yeah, so, but yeah. Woohoo! Now time for the mud bath at the flag. Oh yeah. See if there's any mud in here. I haven't been in here in a while. I cut down the trees, but other than that, I don't really know what's happening here. Other than I don't know where the track 100% is, because I don't go here a lot. Here's where it's normally muddy. Oh yeah, it is. It's all squirrels out. That's good. Yeah, I feel a bit of mud here. This thing just pushes through. I forgot to take out our 4-wheel. I'm actually going to take that out because I don't even need it for this. Oh yeah. Just drives through here. Big ruts in the back. that. Big ruts in the back. See, logs up here nicely cut. Big log here, but move that sometime. But we'll go back there once, and then we're gonna go out there. I'm gonna just smoke through this. Watch this. Feels like I'm on a boat. Oh yeah. On the trail for 5 days because of the rain with my other quads, so let's see how bad it is. Well, I've been on the grass here, but as you can see, but what's this? Why's the poles in here? Insanely muddy. It's dried up. Oh guys, and we're gonna cut all this so it'll look nicer, but it's pretty bad for all that. So far no mud. I think the mud might be out there. Yeah, I'm happy that the field is drying up and everything seems to just be pretty dry. That's always a nice thing, but yeah, there's a lot of water. I can see it from here. Look at that. Think about maybe renting out a quad and going to a Mustang, go mudding, but actual mudding, but we'll see. This is just mini country mudding. Got a bunch of wood here, so not wood, dirt. So aside from that, 5 loads of it too. It's looking nice to make a trail. That will be a month or so, though. But stay tuned for that. Alright. The wheat is swamped. That's going back. It's in 4-wheel drive that whole time, I just realized, but yeah, I mean, it's just like going through a swamp. Guys, if you stayed this far, we got an announcement. So, Can-Am's being sold, and there is something new. That we'll make videos on that in 4 weeks. So you'll see the big Can-Am in action. And yeah, you won't see the little red one too much. Back there one more time. I want to do that one more time. That was fun. I enjoyed that. Probably the most. And we're going to try to do it 2-wheel drive real quick. I think we just did, but I forget. Not nearly as bad as yesterday, so... Try 2-wheel drive. It's going. Oh, it's sliding. Sweet. That was nice. More. That's the real deep one. Okay though, everybody, that's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.